Students, let us learn the second question. There are two paths that one can choose to go from Sarah's house to James' house. Okay, where there have two paths to go from Sarah's house to James' house. Okay, what are the ways? You see, one way is to take C Street. Okay, from Sarah's house through the C Street can go to the James' house, and other way requires to take B Street, then A Street. Other way is first from Sarah's house, first you come through B Street, then you go through the A Street and you can reach James' house. Okay, how much shorter is the direct path along C Street? Anyway, we know this direct way, that is through C Street, is shorter than this choosing these two streets. Okay, so in the question they ask how much it is shorter. Okay, in the diagram itself it is given like a right triangle, so we can use this as a right triangle and consider this triangle is a right angled triangle. So by the Pythagoras theorem you can find the hypotenuse distance. Then when you add this B Street distance plus A Street distance, you will get the length through A and B Street. Then you can find out the C Street length. So you can find out how much shorter the direct pathway C Street. Okay. So first of all, we can find the here we are considering the James house point as J and Sarah's house point as S, and the meeting point of the B Street and A Street as P. Okay, so JP equal to 2 miles and SP equal to 1.5 miles. First you need to find out the length of SJ. Are all clear? So we can choose the direct path as path 1. So path 1, it is direct path along C Street. Okay, along C Street. Now that is to find SJ. Okay, since PSJ is a right angled triangle, by the Pythagoras theorem, SJ square is equal to SP square plus PJ square. Before this, near the diagram, you write PJ is equal to 2 miles and SP equal to 1.5 miles. Since the diagram is given, no need to explain about the diagram. Okay. Now we can apply the value. SP is equal to 1.5 the whole square plus PJ is equal to 2 square. 1.5 square, do you know 15 square? What is the value of 15 square? It is 225. So in this product 1.5 into 1.5, when you multiply, you need 2 digits in the decimal part. Am I correct? So in 225, you need 2 digits in the decimal part. So how can you write? It is 2.25. Okay. So 1.5 the whole square is 2.25 plus 2, what is 2 square? It is 4. So totally what do you get? 6.25. Am I correct? Now you consider this 625. What is the square root of 625? Do you know? It is 25 square. 625 equal to 25 square. So here 2 digit in the value. When you take the square root for the 6.25, 1 digit you need in the square root value, so that you will get it is 2.5. Okay, understood? 2.5 the whole square. So this 6.25 is same as 2.5 the whole square. Now in the left hand side we have Sj square. So what is the value of Sj? Is equal to 2.5. Okay, since the values are given in miles, we can write this also in miles. Are all clear? So you get this distance Sj is equal to 2.5 miles. Okay, 5 miles. Now if you are using this both B and A street, how much distance the person want to cover? 1.5 plus 2, it is 3.5 miles. Okay, so direct path it is 2.5, but this when you are using 2 street it is 3.5 miles. Okay, so which is shorter? Anyway, we know it is direct path is shorter. How much can you find out? 1 miles shorter. Okay, yes, we can do now. Next second path, it is path 2, that is B street, then A street. Okay, so here you can write along B street, then A street. So we need to find out what is the length SP plus PJ. Okay, what is the length of SP? It is 1.5 miles. What is the length of PJ? It is 2 miles. Okay, so what you get totally? 3.5 miles. Am I correct? So okay, so what is the difference? Now difference is 3.5 minus 2.5, that is equal to 1 mile. Okay, so we can write the answer. Direct path along C street is 1 mile shorter. Okay, so this direct path is 1 mile shorter than the other path. Okay.